Hey everybody, I'm Jeff Pollard. I'm gonna try to just be real with you and give it to you straight. Yeah, if you've been hacked in 2022, your Instagram, here's the way I did it. So I got hacked. It's around July now. I've been hacked for a few weeks and I just recovered it. So it's simple, but it's hard. Please let me tell my story just to kind of maybe help you and maybe things make sense and all that. But anyway. So I got hacked. I could not access my account. I was totally blocked out of it. Luckily, I was following it with a different account, and I was able to see, what was going on. But I had no access. Then I went on all the channels, on all of the YouTubes, and tried to look for something. Well, they were helpful, and they gave me hope because they kept saying how you had to make these verification videos and how it just kept failing for them. So anyway, I went through the process. I'll try to put some of the ones that I watched down below so you can get an idea of how other people went. I went through the process. I noticed that you can see if your phone number and your email is attached. I did not see like a phantom one. I did not see like a hacker's one. And so I was able to get codes. And so the process that everyone seems to have done is like, okay, you punch in a code via your phone, you'll get a text message, they'll give you a code. Then you will get another code for your email, and then you do a verification video where you just tilt your head a bunch of times. And it's supposed to recognize you. Well, my hacker, he changed my profile pic and he turned it to private. So I was hoping that Instagram or Facebook had like a back end thing that could like still see me, or like see like all my other millions of pictures of me like in my feed, not necessarily my profile. And kept doing the verification video, nothing. The guy talked about Bitcoin stuff and that was it. Luckily he didn't delete anything or change anything besides the profile pic, and added a few promotions to his other account. So anyway, I did the verification video. I did it a million times, kept getting this denial. It was either a denial that took all day, and at the end of the day it was like, sorry, we couldn't recognize you, or it took like 2 seconds and they immediately couldn't recognize me. So I contacted a friend who got hacked, and I just want to tell you this story because it sucks. Anyway, I was like, hey, how'd you get your hacked account back? And she's like, well, do these things, which was the codes and the verifications, and it helps to know somebody who works there. So I'm like, I hear ya. You know somebody that works there. And so I'm like, can you help me? He only helps friends and family. So he couldn't help me. So I was like, can you at least please forward me to an employee? So if he works there, he can forward me to somebody who works there and is willing to help, because that's their job. Nothing. And so I got ghosted. And so I'm just going, so the reason why I tell that story is just, please, if you know somebody, just be kind. You know what I mean? Like, just help out. Within reasons and stuff, of course. But like, don't make life harder. Don't be that person that makes life harder. Back to the thing. So, if you haven't guessed it, know somebody. And that's how I got it back. It wasn't the verifications. It wasn't all these other videos that were out there, which could work for you. Not denying that. Could work for you. But none of it worked for me. I did the whole process, tried to go through emails and phone numbers, to no prevail. So, know somebody. I fortunately knew somebody, and they helped me in like a matter of days. The process was I kind of put up a bunch of screenshots, kind of held an argument. They forwarded it to the team. The team took a look. They resetted everything. They even deleted that hacker's account, which was cool. And then I just had to go through like a password reset via the new emails. They ask you to create a new email, cool. And then new passwords. Make the passwords funky. Make them hard to get. And that's it. So please, I want to make this video short. I want to be real with you. Hopefully this helped. If you could, and let me do the silly, please like and subscribe. I really do want to help people. I really do want to just make the world better. So a simple like, a simple subscribe. My handle is JeffPollard11 on Instagram. Those things help me, give me more encouragement to pursue and keep going. So anyway, know somebody for Facebook or Instagram. They'll help you in 2 seconds. Sorry if that just sounds so bleak, but that's the truth, and that's how I got my account back. Thank you.